To start rolling coils, take a handful of clay and squeeze it into a sort of sausage shape. Start with your middle finger at the center and using your whole hand, push the clay forward, applying pressure on the forward stroke but not on the backward stroke. So it's push, roll, and when it gets long enough, you can use two hands, moving your hands apart in sort of a V as you roll. You want to roll your coils or snakes about as big as a finger for adult hands and about as big as your thumb for smaller hands. You want to keep the coils moist and work quickly so that they don't dry out and become unusable. Make multiple coils and store your coils in a plastic bag to keep them wet and workable, like I'm doing here.